banana. Like it.
Happy holidays! Hi guys, it's me again, Johan, and my brother Jacob. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Johan Wonders. Thanks guys for watching and subscribing my channel. Please stay connected and stay safe. Did you know that today is summer season? We can make lots of desserts. One dessert that we can make is summer popsicles. Are you ready? Then let's get started.
Like it. Here are the things you need.
You need 4 popsicle stands, fruits that we chosen like cherries, bananas, and mangoes. Are you ready? Then let's get started.
Banana, cherry. Like it.
After we wash and peel our fruits, we are gonna blend our fruits and put them in our popsicle makers.
Banana.
Look at our popsicles! Do you like it? If you like it, then give us the video a big thumbs up. This is the banana. Here is the mango. This is the cherry. And the last one is a mix. We combine all flavors together. Now we are gonna wait for 4 to 5 hours for our fruits to get frozen.
Put it in the fridge.
5 hours later.
That's it guys. Hope you like our icy fruit popsicles that we made today. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can make more of my exciting and amazing videos. See you on our next food episode. Bye-bye.
You say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello, I'm gonna eat you. Do you know today, first the mango. This is the blueberry. Mom, on our next art episode.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kuya. And the light to doesn't burn. And the light to doesn't burn. Now it's light, now it's light. Now happy birthday, Kuya. Woo! One more. Okay. Let's sing faster.
Faster, kuya.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to ya. Ay!
Oh, show your gift. You like it?
Top 10 underpants.
Do you like it? There are 3 books.
Yes.
Hold it.
Thank you, Tita Hazel, Kuya Orby, and Hans. I love this present. That's-
Wow, it's a
What's
lunch
that?
bag.
No, look.
It's a dentist.
Okay, so
My turn.
Wow, it's an
now it's
encyclopedia.
my turn, Mama. Now it's this.
Wow,
365.
Wow.
science
Yeah.
experiment.
I know what's inside. Something special that I never.
Yeah.
Thank you, Tito Jun. I love you. I love this present.
Oh, open it. What Tita May?
It should be
Oh my God, I'm okay.
Yeah.
team builder. What do you will do with that?
Kitchen. Mama, look. You need the map. I love you.
Why is this just a plain old box with absolutely nothing? Oh, it's mine. Oh no! Thank you, Tita Mia. I love playing Minecraft.
Together.
Help me. What? Seriously, why is it this box? This is the most. How is that?
Oh,
Let's open together.
It's always boxes. Where's the gift? I have to remove the thing.
just rip it off.
Super Mario!
Now,
This is
I
all.
think that's.
What is inside, Brad?
Oh, there's a message. Read the message. Read it loudly.
You can step away to find your set present.
Wait. Read it loudly. You are a step away to find your. What's that? Where can you find the next clue? Understand the question. How may I help you?
Help me. I can still remember. We found so many clues. The next clue
The next clue
says,
is.
this is what I.
This is where I cook bread, cakes,
Mama.
and roast chicken.
Find the next clue.
Huh?
What's in the kuya? You do like it? You do like it?
Show it.
Yes. I've been taking a bath.
What
You
did
do
you say?
like it?
What did you...
Thank you for watching.